Hey there, my amazing people. It's Joyce Mitu here, and I hope you're having an amazing day. So in today's video, I am going to talk about how you can use other people's money to be successful. Those of you who are new to my channel and to my video, my name is Joyce Mitu, and I do videos on network marketing and give tips on how you can make money online. If these videos interest you, do subscribe to my channel because it helps me and motivates me a lot to keep providing valuable contents to you guys. So let's do this. Yes guys, today not only I'm going to teach you how you can use other people's money to be successful, but also teach you some tricks which you can apply in your life to save money and grow your business. First of all guys, we all know starting a business is not easy and not a piece of cake. Especially if you are a beginner with no tech skills, it might be really hard and really difficult at first. In my past video guys, I showed you the high income skills which you need to make your business evolve. I also showed you how you can leverage other people's skills and grow successful. However, for that guys, you need either time to learn those skills or money to buy and leverage them from other people. Most of the time, you will need to invest in your business. Yes, invest big. But guys, as beginners, there will always be investments and you will need to put your money into action for that. But my friend, what if I tell you you can use not only yours but money of others too? No guys, of course I'm not talking about a fraud or something foolish. I'm talking about ethical and proper ways to do it. Ways where you can be safe from troubles and legal issues. Okay. All you need is your good state of mind, your guts, your determination, and your will not to give up. There have been so many people out there, maybe you don't know, who had nothing at first but applied the qualities I just told you and went from zero to hero, from broke to rich, simply by using other people's money. Guys, even you, when you went to high school or went to university to get an education for a degree, you used other people's money and it was in the form of loans. So let's have a look at those people. Number one is Starbucks. You may not recognize any of the names of Gordon Barker, Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, but you definitely have heard about Starbucks. They were the ones who started this company in 1971. After they each invested a little over $1,300 and have got a loan of $5,000 from the bank, which was considered a lot at that time. Today, Starbucks brings over about $10 billion in revenue per year. Number two is Sam Walton. He started his journey in retail after he opened up his store, Walmart, in 1947 with a total of $25,000 and $20,000 of which he had borrowed from his father-in-law. He was quickly able to grow Walmart into one of the biggest retailers in the United States of America and across the world. Number three is Sir Richard Branson. He started his business with a loan of $300. He is the founder and owner of Virgin and his company has become one of the most iconic brands in the world. Number four is John Paul DeJoria. John Paul DeJoria is a successful entrepreneur who started out as a newspaper courier. After receiving a loan of just $700, he spent years building his business, now known as John Paul Mitchell Systems. He now has a net worth more than $3.1 billion. Kevin Plank. Kevin Plank, guys, is the founder of Under Armour. He first started the company by taking $40,000 worth of personal credit card debt and plunged all of his life savings into getting things going. After a few months of hard work, he soon made a large $17,000 sale at Georgia Tech University as well as more than 20 other sales to NFL teams. With the space of a few years, Under Armour went from being worth nothing to tens of millions of dollars and having more than 5,000 people working for the company. Today, the company Under Armour does more than $2 billion in annual retail sales. However, it took a lot of time to get it to where it is now. In fact, these were simply a few of the so many people out there who went from almost nothing to millions and billions. True, their fortunes were not made overnight, but they all started from something, and it was from other people's money. Guys, you have dreams. You have the will to do it. So don't let money be an issue. I did say in one of my other videos that money is a resource. And it is not because of resources we fail. It's because of lack of resourcefulness. If you ain't going out there to get things done, it's obvious you will fail. You have friends, you have family, and other contacts. Talk to them, borrow money from them, or get a loan from the bank to start your business. Hustle, grind, and generate that income. I'm not saying it is supposed to be easy, but I'm saying it's not impossible to achieve your dreams. Guys, if these people could have done it, and I am doing it, then why not you? Yes, I too took money from my peers and my relatives. Some were not willing, but they were very supportive once they knew of my vision, my goal, my objectives, and when I presented them my plans, my business plans, etc. And I'm working for my dreams, guys. I'm working for my dreams to be achieved. I became resourceful by using other people's money. What I'm going to share with you might be simple, but listen. The truth with other people's money is not just loans from family, friends, or the bank. They are also the money you're getting after a sale. Use some of the money, not for your enjoyment only, but as an investment in your business and in yourself to improve your skills. The more you know, the better you get. So if you invest if you invest $1 and you get $5, then use $3 to get 15. Next, use $10 to get 50. This is how you invest, scale, and grow. You can also find your unusable assets and sell them to those needing them. Make use of your income tax return. Use your skills on sites that bring in money. I will later do a video on where you can actually leverage your skills to earn money. So listen guys, a debt is not a bad thing. It is bad when you give up and then lose the ability to pay. So always have your head in the game and focus on your dreams. Work, hustle, and grind. Work, hustle, and grind. Whatever you do to achieve your dreams, you are just one step away. So I will end this video here. I hope you found value and got an idea on how you can use other people's money to grow your business. Please do leave me a comment to let me know what you think about, and don't hesitate to ask me any questions or help. Also, if you want to invest in a business that will provide you the necessary arsenals to rock your business, do check out my #1 recommendation. And if you're struggling with traffic, check out my #1 recommendation for quality traffic. And they are all valuable links. They are all in the description box below. And also do smash that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable contents like this one. And do click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. It's been great talking to you guys. Have fun. See you on the next video. Bye bye.